Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back with another video. I hope everybody's doing well, being safe, taking care of themselves. In this video, guys, I want to do something a little different. I don't have anything technical to show you on the charts. I kind of just want to, just talk. You know what I'm saying? I consider y'all my people, so we just gonna kick it, talk a little bit, get a little deep, but we can do that. Because like I said, if you're listening, you subscribe to me, you my family, so we good. So I just want to talk about your Forex journey, my Forex journey, our Forex journey. I know you see everybody on YouTube winning and driving Lambos and cars and on Instagram, but you gotta think the majority of people aren't even break even in this game. So I want to keep it real with this chat, that you got to focus on your journey. I know it's cool being in Telegram chats and DMing your people on Twitter and following signals, but at the end of the day, you got to press the button. And it's going to benefit you to learn on your own more than it is to be with other people, because trading is a lonely fucking sport. And I call it a sport because it's a sport. You're battling against everybody else in the world, and it's you and everybody else, right? So you gotta focus on your own journey. And I always say the best way, once you learn how to trade, is to not go straight into live. I'm not even saying just do demo. Start trading with small accounts, but have a separate account to build up. You guys, most of you guys, a lot of you guys got $200, $500, $1,000. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be the one to tell you, bro, that's just not enough. I know you can flip, but flipping is different when you have money to blow. Okay, the YouTubers and everybody who's taking money for their courses and their signals and their groups, they're just using y'all money and flipping it. It's not a secret. You feel me? So the people you saw flipping anyways have probably failed that challenge 2, 3, 4, 5 times over. I've done plenty of flips and blew the account. I mean, you can do that. Not everybody's going to do that, obviously, but what I'm trying to say is it's a different mindset when you just have money to blow. Like, that's why you do swallow and demo, because you literally just do not care. You place a trade, you don't even think about it. You check back 2 days later, oh shit, I'm up $500, I'm up $1,000, because you don't care. The same way I could say it's different. It's a different mindset. Yes, in theory, if you have $500, you can grow to $20,000 and $25,000, whatever. But let's say you have $1,000, right? And even though you save that money and put it away, are you really trying to lose that $1,000? So how much money are you really trading with? You feel what I'm saying? How much money are you really willing to lose before you're like, man, I'm not trying to lose this whole account? And I know, and we all done it, because it's a scarcity mindset. You're coming from a place of, I just can't lose, but at the same time, you want to make good money, right? The best way, and like I said, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, is you need to have 2 accounts. You need to have an account. Let's say you just drop $5,800 in there, and you just try to flip it. If it works, it works. It doesn't. But then you just have an account, a Forex account, you just treat like a savings account. And you guys need to get the mindset of, I'm gonna go full time this year. 98% of people ain't ready to go when they are. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have confidence, but at the same time, you need some capital. Like, the $500, $1,000 is not enough. Like, you're gonna need 15, 20, 25, 30, for the majority of people, because most people aren't breaking even. And I'm just gonna keep it real. Most people aren't even breaking even in this game. So, I just want you guys to be realistic with yourselves. Not saying you can't make it. I would never doubt anybody. I'm not the one to tell you, don't prove me wrong. I'm telling you can make it. What I'm trying to say is that I want you guys to just focus on yourselves and your own journey. You are going to make it, but it may take 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 years before you really make it, or what you define as making it. You know what I'm saying? So that's all. I just want you guys to to know that there's going to be setbacks in this journey. There's going to be highs and lows, and I'm on the journey too with you guys. I'm not full-time yet. I'll be the first person to tell you. I might be the only YouTuber to tell you I'm not full-time, because I'm part-time, and I'm okay with that because I need money coming in. At the same time, I need to save, and at the same time, I'm not ready account-wise to go full-time. Full-time for me is I need like 70-80 grand in my account, right? So I'm not there yet, but I'm building the skill, and I'm sharing what I learned with you guys, so so your journey's cut in half as well. So hopefully this talk helped some of you guys. It's just sickening to me when I'm in Telegram chats and I can just see the disgust in people when I can tell they just came over just to get a strategy and they're looking for the quickest results, and it's just not working for them, and they're going to bounce in a week. So you got to give it time. You got to just really hone in. You got to find the pairs you like to trade. You got to find the times you like to trade. You got to find the amount of times you like to trade. You got to find the setups that are profitable and work for you. Everybody's different. You can trade the exact same way as me and not get the same results. And that's just real, because I've only stuck to one strategy for the last 3.5, 4 years. Okay? So I've never deviated from what I know. So somebody coming over isn't going to get the same results as me. You can watch me for a month straight, but the way I see the charts and the way I do things is going to be, you're just never going to get these same exact results as me, and that's okay, because everybody's different. Everybody's an individual. Everybody doesn't want to trade gold. Everybody doesn't want to do the things I do. People I learn from, I don't do the same thing as them, and that's cool. But just know that the journey's going to be individualistic, and there's going to be different results. There are billions of people in the world, and nobody's on the same journey, guys. Okay? So just because you see somebody else winning, be happy for them. Salute them. Your time is coming too. Life's not fair. It might not come the next day. It might come a month. It might come a year. It might come 10 years from now. All you can do is control what you can control. Try to be the best you can, and just work on your goals and what you have for in life. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little chat. Let me know in the comments if it was beneficial. I feel like we don't talk enough in the Forex community about just the journey in life and how hard this really can be, because I know there's real money on the line, real emotions, dreams on the line. So whatever I can do to help you guys out, I'm all for it. It's not always just all about analysis. It's not always all about it is all about pips, but it's not always all about just showing you the technicals and watching me win or lose or whatever. It's about helping us as a community, because the game is tough enough. We need to be there to support each other, and we have to be real that everybody honestly is not going to make it, and everybody is not going to make it at the same time. Okay? So that's it for the video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. Look forward to talking to you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.